So if I told you that we can repair this dent here back to its original condition without doing any kind of painting or body work, would you believe me? I'm going to show you how we did just that in the video coming up here. Stay tuned. Okay, so first things first, we're actually going to be working from the outside of the dented area with what's called glue pulling, where we fuse a tab to the panel with hot glue and then pull that damage up as much as possible. And then we need to go inside and manipulate the metal that way. There's a little access hole right there, highly obstructed, but we're going to get a specialized tool inside there and slowly manipulate that metal back to its original position, just like you're seeing here. And here's the progress of the repair, looking a little bit bumpy. That's totally normal during a dent repair. Essentially just working from the outside, again, like you're seeing here with different knockdowns, and you can see the metal actually moving right there in the light reflection. If you look closely, you can see it kind of moving up and down. Using some blending techniques with hammers, and we finally get to the end result after probably about 5 hours on this job here, and back to its original factory condition here. We had a really satisfied customer in the end. Here it is under the light. It really kind of shows you the detail of the repair. And you know, we get these repairs looking like they never occurred. That's just what we do. I will tell you, not every paintless dent repair company is going to offer the same quality, so do your research and find a skilled technician in your area, and you can expect to see the same type of results. So highly recommended, paintless dent repair. This is by far the best route for repairing body panels without painting or changing anything about the vehicle in the process of the repair. You get to keep the original factory paint, which is the highest quality paint and the most resilient over time. And the icing on the cake here would be the fact that we can actually perform these repairs at your home. No need to lug the vehicle down to a body shop or let it sit for days or even weeks. If you have any further questions about paintless dent repair, you can give me a call directly at 386-216-5185, or you can go on to cfldentrepair.com to check out more educational videos about the paintless dent repair process. I really appreciate you stopping by to check this video out, and hopefully you learned something new. Thanks again. Have a great day.